Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to unblock your Instagram account on school Chromebook. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. Once you have opened your internet browser, make sure you turn on your VPN provider. Now just wait for your VPN provider to finish loading. Once you're good, close your VPN provider. Now back to Google Chrome. Once you're here, you're going to search for the following: Instagram.com. Once done typing, just hit enter. Now wait for Instagram or the website to finish loading. As you can see, you can now open Instagram.com in your school Chromebook. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.